Today, we're going to weigh the puppies, show y'all what y'all puppies look like with the ear crops, and then we're going to show y'all the puppies we still got for sale. Let's get into it. This Kiara, y'all, she's staying here. She's staying in the kennel. We decided to keep her. She look good, don't she? See how much she weigh. £7 pounds, 7.2 to be exact. Welcome, Kiara, y'all.
What we got next?
Since you want to be all loud in here. We got Runts. I know she waiting on an update.
I mean, Runts.
He done got big on them. Runts done got big on them. Hey! 5.8. Let's Runts one more time for you. Runts, you look good, Runts.
Mm-hmm.
This is the other one we keep in here. Her name Raven. Welcome her to the group, y'all. Good old Raven. Five, 6. Alright. Get it one more time. We keeping her again. This is the second female we keeping. Hey, Mr. Orange. I got Mr. Orange here. Yeah. He look good. He definitely be eating. If you cannot tell. 5'8". Good old Orange. Did the pink. Yeah.
Purple color.
Yep, this that purple. Whew, he heavy. Jeez Louise. £7.
Yep.
Are you peeing? I hope you're not peeing.
He won't pee.
Dang, maybe eating your collar.
Yeah, man, Texas over there. That's why we're going to Texas.
This one going to Texas, y'all.
Man, big Texas.
You look nice too. Straight brindle.
Yeah, weigh him.
Oh yeah.
Man, you scared to weigh my man? 5'2".
5'2".
That's everybody on that side?
Yep. All right, y'all. That's everybody in the sold category. Next, we go into the unsold division. So anything you see over here is for sale. Let me say again, anything over here is for sale. That's you off. Female. It's a female off of Lucy.
Simba.
Lucy and Simba collection. $5.14. Once again, Lucy and Simba collection. She is available. She is a nice little size. Let us know if you see anything. She nice. Ooh, you a monster.
Yeah.
This is the one. This is another Simba and Lucy production. This is the biggest female probably besides the one we have, of course. But I mean, she is definitely nice as well. $6.14. Yes, everybody, she is available.
Yeah. She on that mail in there.
Huh?
She on that mail in there.
I'm gonna do him last because he's the last. He's the only boy. Come here. This is another female from the Lucy and Simba collection. I like her white face.
Yeah.
She definitely nice. She is available as well. $4.12. She is, once again, she is available. If you know somebody, let them know.
Runs number 2.
She is available as well. Another female from the Simba and Roxy collection. I mean,
Whoa.
Simba and Lucy.
Yeah, Terrence Jr.
Simba and Lucy.
Yeah, you alright, bro?
Dang, she probably the smallest one.
Yeah.
310. Runt. Stop. Runt. Stop. Last one, buddy.
Yeah, just making all that noise.
This is the last boy we got. This that Simba and Mercy. Last boy.
Dome on him.
Yes, sir. Straight gray or blue.
Yeah.
They show nice. He's the last male. So if he's looking, he's definitely gonna be nice. $4.12. Once again, these are the puppies for sale. He is the only male, and then we have 4 females that I just recently showed you. If you have any questions, want to know anything about the pups, we're gonna have the information in the corner for y'all. That's it.